What's the meaning of clerestory? Clerestory. Clerestory.
Clerestory. Clerestory. A clerestory is a section of a building that features a raised level of windows above the main roofline. These windows are typically located on the upper part of a wall, allowing natural light to enter into a space that would otherwise be dimly lit. Clerestory windows can be found in a variety of structures such as churches, museums, and public buildings. They not only provide aesthetic appeal, but also offer energy-saving benefits by reducing the need for artificial lighting during the day. Overall, clerestories are architectural features that enhance both form and function in a building.